Ooh, a Sprunki egg. There's a prize inside. Can't believe there was room for that smile. Look, there's even more inside. It's another egg. It's full of slime, which eggs usually are. So that's where our Sprunki friends come from. Let's line them up like our own little rainbow.
Yay! Huh?
What else is in here? Wow, a phone! And a case. Remember, the faster we put it together, the faster we can start customizing it.
Yay!
Come on, there's room for everybody. Look, it's our Sprunki friends. Hey, and I wouldn't touch that if I were you. Okay, everybody, off the bus. Single line. School's about to start. Well, never mind. Guess vacation's starting early this year. Well, with blocks, we can always rebuild. Get started with walls and a floor. Of course, a school needs a few accessories. Some students will help too. Uh-oh, looks like playtime's over. A school's not a school without tests. This minifig's always ready to help. That really helps you make an impression. An impression we can fill with crayon shavings. Add some heat to melt it into place. In fact, let's try this with all sorts of colors. Give these guys some time to cool off. And then you can dig them out. It's not so hard to make new friends.
Wow!
Look, they can even help you color. These guys really brighten your day. Of course, the world's made up of all sorts of colors. I like that block backpack, but not everyone agrees. It's okay. I'm sure we can rebuild. Just remember to take things brick by brick. In fact, let's use this as a good excuse and get really creative with these blocks. Pretty soon, these blocks are gonna be somebody. Of course, they'll need a good head for its shoulders. Look, we've got a cool new Pinata. Too bad they don't last too long around here. Of course, our friend here is still made of blocks. We can put him back together again. Chocolate can be so messy, but still so worth it. Now, where did you put that napkin? That's not it. Oh no! And that was his favorite tie, too! This looks like a time to get crafty. Bow ties are the coolest form of ties. They've even got their own pasta. Here, try this on for size. You look great. Uh-oh, who let a yellow jacket in here? Oh, it's not even jacket season. Maybe our block pack can help. A slingshot. Just add some ammo. Now make sure you've got the right aim. Well, no use crying over spilled coffee. Still, I don't think this guy agrees. But help is right under your ear? Anyway, we need a long bunch of blocks. Ooh, this thing practically builds itself. But just what are we making? You know, it's starting to look like a watch. And sometimes it pays to have time on your side. Well, that takes care of that. Back to aiming practice. Pizza can turn around any bad day, especially when it's got pepperoni.
Yay!
But you should save some for you-know-who. Don't worry, she left you the crust. Ooh, got something in your teeth? I don't want to know how that got in there. But we know where it's going. It's part of a brand new slice of pizza. Wow, it looks good enough to eat. But don't forget, you owe you-know-who a slice. Besides, you might have chipped a tooth. Aw, someone's got a big smile for us. And their head is sealed up tight. This looks like a job for some cool tools. Okay, Mjolnir, time to work your magic. But maybe all you need is a tender touch. So, what's inside this thing anyway? Marshmallows! And they're a familiar shape, too. Stack some together and give them a chocolate dip. Use some chocolate to draw out a face. And I thought it was familiar before. Make a bunch of these happy faces. Who needs flowers when you've got a bouquet like this? This school's got some interesting superlatives. Oh, you just know this was fixed. Still, you-know-who's not going to be happy about this. Don't worry, we've got a plan for this poster. Attach the strips of paper to these blocks. Now put it together like a puzzle. See? It's as good as new. And now you can bring it to game night. Yeah, I think a little recount is in order. Our mushroom cupcakes are so easy to whip up. Of course, they can disappear just as quickly.
Whoa!
Don't worry, there's still one left for you. It tastes like there's a prize inside. A block? Looks like we hit the mother lode. Who says you can't play with your food? Besides, we're getting a visit from our favorite plumber. Don't forget his hat. One good turn deserves another.
It's me, Mario!
Cupcakes, the gift that keeps on giving. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yeah, better write that down. Ouch! He must do morning stretches. I think this belongs to you. Wait, the blocks! They've helped us so far. Stack them up. We can use them to make our own pencil case.
Woo!
It's time to call in some extra help. Thanks, it's a new cover. And it slides right in. Of course, a pencil case needs some pencils. Pens and markers are also acceptable. Now let's get back to writing those notes. Careful, you'll get this back at the end of class. Frog in your throat? No, it's a little blue ball. Still, we want to keep our block theme going. First, lay down a flat block base. Next, we'll need to add a border. Now, our little labyrinth is going to need some walls. Add the ball, and it's a tiny maze game. And the best part, hours of fun without charging. Ooh, we're drawing robots in art class. Grab your paintbrush and your favorite paint. There's something off about your brush. Looks like its painting days are over. But you know, these blocks have a nice texture. Dip it in the paint and use it like a stamp. Pretty soon, you'll have a rather rectangular robot. What's under here? A kitty? Look, another eye! And a bow. I think it's time to make some faces. Let's just hope it stays that way. Wow, those scissors sure are sharp. Just what we need for our next game. Hey, it's our old pal Bubba Fant. Sadness too? Noticing a pattern here? Let's see who's behind curtain number 3. It's a little hard to make out. Hold on. I think it's Sky. Or it used to be. Don't worry, we'll fix you right up. Want something to bite down on? Now let's add some aloe vera. You'd be surprised what this stuff can do. We're almost done patching you up. Now you can rest those eyes. Hey, do you smell something? Ooh, someone's in need of a good tongue scraping. You know, it helps to chew your food. It also helps to stick to food. How do you even taste anything? This is going to take some advanced scraping. Of course, brushing's important too. Rock that smile, Simon. Hey, who's screaming? It's Tunner, I think. There's a hit the nail by the head joke in here somewhere. Now we should probably clean you up. Jeepers creepers, you could use some new peepers. The scarecrow's not the only one who needs a brain. Forget the wizard. The mini-me's are here to help. Seems simple enough. Just gotta match the colors. Okay, we're almost done. Just a few more matches. Hold on, I don't think that's quite right. Yeah, orange and gold are easy to mix up. Don't worry, Garnold. We'll find your match. We did it! And we've got a new brain. Bandage him up. Good thing he wears a hat. Good thing Owaxiax has got a hospital gown. He looks like he could use a doctor. At least let's make him a new mouth. Next, let's clear up those dry eyes. Talk about a full body makeover. Let's see if we can find some donors. That's it? We're gonna need some more. Let's speed things up. Oh, everyone's being so generous. Still, it's starting to become a puzzle, literally. Well, we just gotta take things slow. And look for corner pieces. Gotta love corner pieces. Aw, now someone's back to their old limey self. Guess Oren needs our help next. Now, you might feel a slight pinch, but don't worry. Next comes nap time. How about we check her brain waves? Ooh, that doesn't look good. We should take a closer look inside. It's not easy getting others to open up. Let's get rid of all this excess gunk. She's getting a full rework. Now let's just patch her up. Next, it's time to collect some vital organs. Video games really prepared us for med school. Quick, while everything's still fresh. Now just put everything in its place. Almost done. Just need to close her up. Ooh, she's sounding better already. Okay, wake up, Sleeping Beauty. It's time to join your friends.